or executes, or it will be neutral equilibrium. Okay, we'll have two comparison like this. So I'm going to slightly push it. Now look at the previous diagram on this one. So what will be the earlier? Will there be any force acting on this position? Yes, there'll be a force, no? F naught. Here also F naught. Now in this position, I think are you looking at this condition? It is. So now also force will be F naught or any other value. Now also will be F naught only, no? Because that is independent of the position of slab. So will it neutral equilibrium or the forces acting will be different? What do you say if it is displaced slightly? It will be there in neutral equilibrium. Instead, what happens if you displace it? If you displace it, and if it gets fully between the other plates, this is not needed. Now you should answer this. What do you say about the force by the other plate, this capacitor C2? There won't be force, and the only force acting will be this one. Getting now? So this is the basic necessity condition. If it is fully there between the plates of other plate, no, so then definitely what happens, it will not execute. Now what happens, it will be oscillating, not SHM. So now the second diagram is neutral equilibrium. This is what? Oscillatory. And the time period is independent of the displacement. It'll be like a oscillatory motion, that one. And you know how to calculate the time period. Getting the idea? So definitely you have to be a little bit diagram-based questions. You have to be careful. Time period depends on the displacement. Not given. Okay, time period will it depends on the displacement. Yes, it should be no.